So today we are in Kanto Lampo Waterfall. It's one of the most popular and picturesque waterfalls in Bali. So as you come in from the car park, there's a barcode that you need to scan to register your attendance here. And then we were told that the ticket counter will be somewhere near the waterfall. So that's where we pay for the tickets. This is where the ticket counter is, so we enter through here. Hello, 2 please. Thank you very much. You get a paper ticket and then you give it to the lady here with a sign that says checking ticket.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Located in the Gianyar Regency, just a short drive from Ubud, this isn't your typical vertical drop waterfall. Kanto Lampo is famous for its tiered black rock formations that create a stunning stepped effect as the water cascades down into the shallow pool below. One of the best features of this site is the convenience. Before you reach the water, you will find lockers available for rent. I highly recommend using these to keep your belongings and electronics dry while you're busy in the splash zone or climbing the rocks for that perfect shot. As we make our way down these stairs, you will immediately see why this place is a favorite for creators and photographers. Unlike many other waterfalls in Bali, Kanto Lampo was actually created relatively recently. Following a prayer ceremony in 2015, an obstruction was cleared in the river above, causing the water to flow over these rocks for the first time. Since then, it has become a global sensation. If you look off to the side, there is also a separate pool area which we caught a glimpse of from a distance. It's a bit more peaceful if you want a break from the main crowd, but the main event is definitely the wall of water itself. Because the rocks are naturally stepped, it's one of the few places where you can actually sit directly under the falls for a shower effect that looks incredible on camera. After soaking in the views from every angle, it's time to start the climb back. These stairs can be a little steep, so take your time. We are heading back to the entrance now to dry off and jump back on the road. But the day is far from over. Let's get back to the car and head to our next destination. Stay tuned to find out where we are going next. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.